Okay, you've seen them before. You've most probably actually used one of them, and that is a booking calendar. Now, booking calendars have extreme value to business owners, especially those of us who are either selling our time or need to book people in for services and products along the way. I don't know about you, but I no longer have the time to go back and forth with people about emails and time. So being able to send them a booking calendar link, being able to allow them to find the time in their time zone or in their diary that suits works with me works incredibly well. And I know now as a consumer, even more than ever, if you've got a booking calendar, I am definitely more likely to work with you and book with you because I can book at whatever ridiculous hour. I am looking to make that time to work with you because sometimes my wife doesn't work 9 to 5 and picking up the phone doesn't work for me to do that. Or even still, I'm working 9 to 5 in someone else's office or there, and I just don't have the capability to pick up the call. So why, as business owners, do we want to be putting booking calendars into our marketing mix, but also into our business to streamline our operations and efficiencies? Number one, as I said before, it's just ease of booking. Being able to book as a client, making it easy for your clients to be able to book, but also it means you can set your availability. So you're no longer having, especially if you're a people pleaser, having to be feel like you're pulled from one direction to another to have to, adjust your schedule to fit someone in. You go say, here's my booking link, here's my availability, and you set those times. And that allows you to be more productive because by having set times that you take client calls, you know that you can get a chunk of time here to work on your marketing or a chunk of time there to work on your marketing and work things out from there. As course creators, you're able to possibly get as course creators, I find there's an incredible value about being able to put booking calendars into my courses, allowing those students who want more help. I've got a special booking calendar for my marketing circle members, which means they get to come and work with me on a member's rate. And that's just a few of the ways that we use booking calendars. So the benefits of booking calendars for your business is not only the time saving, it looks professional. People are able to come to a stylized booking page. It also means you're not having to do follow-up, the professional follow-up that you set with your booking calendar to remind people. It encourages people to add that appointment to their calendar so they don't forget about it. And if you're using a tool like Acuity, like I use, it can even send text message reminders to your people to make sure that they turn up. And for those of us who are selling time, you can also set boundaries around when that appointment can be rescheduled to when it gets a refund or it doesn't get a refund. And quite often for those of us who are coaches with limited time, you need to put those boundaries in place because without them, people keep pushing. So having a clear boundary that if you book a time in my diary and you pay for it, then I can't sell it and I won't sell that time to anyone else. So you need to respect that time to turn up as well. It's very important. And it goes for other service providers too. If you're finding you're having a high no-show rate, then make sure that you're having payments in advance. And that's where booking calendars can come in and be really useful. Booking calendars give us also 24/7 availability to our customers to be able to book in. So how do you choose the right booking calendar for your business? Now, I'm a big fan of Acuity because I love how it lays out the dates, but your booking calendar needs to be affordable. It ideally needs to integrate with what you're doing. So lots of CRMs quite often have booking calendars now. Google and Microsoft have their own booking calendars that you can tap into, and it needs to talk to your calendar software. It also needs to be something you're going to check. Now, the reason I use the third-party scheduler like Acuity, it talks to my calendars. It also talks to other calendars here that we need to be able to talk with. And it sends those text message reminders and has a few more features around email reminders and those sorts of things along the way. So third-party tools are great. And there's tools out there like Acuity, as I mentioned, Calendly, TidyCal. There are lots of ways that you can get started. You can book me with a booking calendar to be able to start offering 24% availability to have an appointment time with you. So after you've chosen that booking calendar, we need to include it into our website, possibly our courses, and we need to look at what the workflow is going to be. How far in advance do you want people to be able to book is one of those things that you want to have a look at. Also then looking at including it into your customer workflow, so including it into your CRMs. Zapier is a handy tool to take information from that appointment calendar. Do we want people who book appointments with us to be added to a certain group in our database or in our CRM or in our newsletter so that they get the updates and those sorts of things all the way? In the end, booking calendars improve your efficiency. They improve your customer satisfaction because they're getting reminders and it's setting automation on autopilot for you to make sure that you are looked after and your clients are looked after with the information they need from appointments. Your booking calendars can integrate with tools like Zoom and Google Meet to make sure that live meetings are put into place. And you can set some really strong boundaries. So it taps into two of my favorite areas, automation and boundaries. So if you've not looked at using a booking calendar within your business, take a look at the list that we've included for you with this video. Go and explore one and explore the idea of including booking calendars into the services that you offer, into the marketing and the promotion that you do, and but even in your course offering as well, because booking calendars are a real time saver and they really help you not only reach more people, but also be available more because you're not going back and forth anymore with those emails trying to find times. I'm Linda Reed-Enever, Ideas and Marketing Strategist. I hope this tip has helped you create impact in your business, and I would love to connect with you further and hear about what impact you're creating.